It is scary to share my story on YouTube and to put personal and vulnerable details out there. But there is something that makes me do that, and that is you guys, or you girls. It is the the memories of what happened to me and my kids, and not wanting to have that pain and struggle be for nothing. So sharing my story is the way for me to honor my story and to use it to make someone else feel less lonely and hopefully strengthen someone else on their journey. And I've gotten so much out of doing this work. I feel like I've gotten 1,000 friends, and I really, really enjoy interacting with all of you in this community. A lot of the most important things that we do are things that feel scary. And I believe that this is also part of healing and rebuilding ourselves, to take a few chances, to take some brave steps forward, and in that process discover things about ourselves and do things without second and third and fourth guessing ourselves, and it will be okay. There was a study done by, I think she was a nurse. She interviewed people who were in palliative care, and she asked them if they had any regrets in life. And at the top of that regret list was that many of the older people said that I wish that I would have been more myself and not cared so much about what other people thought. Among the other regrets were spending too much time on career and not spending time with the loved ones. Is there something that you would like to do, but you feel vulnerable in taking that step? If so, I'm sure that you have a good reason for what it could bring to you or to someone else if you were able to take that step. So I would encourage you to try it wherever you are and in whatever part of the world you're in. I wish that you will have a nice, a good rest of your day or evening, and thank you for tuning into this video. Bye.